Hi everyone, welcome back to another property tour, and today we are here at Graniropa in Uptown Cagayan de Oro City to show you one of their model unit. So today, naata karon sa Lamirand Crest to show you this beautiful Ella model unit. So this property has a lot area or has a minimum lot area of 110 square meters with a total floor area of 100 square meters. So without further ado, let's begin our tour. So look at the facade. It's nice and beautiful. So ang ilahang mga model unit is Mediterranean inspired. So now let's check the inside of the model unit. So again, this is Ella model unit. So kung nangita mo og balay nga dako-dako, spacious, or non-ready for occupancy. What I mean of non-ready for occupancy kanang wala pag-build. So katong wala magdali and then gusto magbalay here in Uptown Cagayan de Oro, this might be the perfect match for you. Then let's get inside. So as we walk in, so you'll be greeted by an open concept. As you can see, so again, this is just a model unit. So ipakita lang nila kung giunsa nila pag-decorate, pag-arrange sa living area, dining, and kitchen area. But the deliverable unit, ani, is complete finish lang siya. Unsay pasabot sa complete finish? Complete finish means naanay partition, naanay tiles, naanay fixtures sa toilet and bath. And maulang na ang deliverable nila. Livable na siya actually. Ikaw lang ang mag-decorate, ikaw lang magbutang sa mga cabinets and everything. So now we're here sa living area. As you can see, so you have your sliding window right here. So more natural lights are coming in, and of course ventilations. So gipakita ni siya nga sigo diriya ang double seater nga couch. And then here iyang provision for your console, or depende sa inyo ha soon kung asa gid ninyo ibutang inyong TV. Kita ninyo sigo pa ang side table right here. And next to it is the dining area. So, now gipakita sa diriya na sigo usad ang 6-seater dining table. That's nice, diba? And luag paghihapon siya. Beside it or next to it is the kitchen area. So, dili ani ang deliverable sa kitchen niya. Sa iyang deliverable unit ha. So, kuanin ni siya, interior na ni siya. So, you have your sink or kitchen countertop right here. Then, pwede gid ninyo butangan og island countertop, diba? And then, your cabinet right there. And what's nice about this is you have a maid's quarter right here. So, ang ilang style is gi-double deck nila. And then, you have your built-in cabinet pa diriang. So, pwede pa gid ninyo ma-utilize ang ani nga space. Or pwede po niyo himuon as your pantry. And this door leads to the back of the property or the service area. And pwede sad ninyo inganion shelves with mirror para mas spacious siya tan-awon. And now, for those who are searching for bitaw gusto og naagi bedroom or regular bedroom on the ground floor para sa ilang guests or para sa ilang mga elders, so naatay bedroom diri sa baba. So this is the first bedroom of the property. So very spacious siya nga no. Aside from bedroom, naa siya'y own toilet and bath. So this is your own toilet and bath. So, na siyang shower area, water closet, and sink. So, fixture lang na mga decorative and wala siya labot sa deliverable unit. So, very spacious gid siya. Sigo pa ang queen size bed. So, I think this is also makonsider siya as your master bedroom. Then your side table, then akay sliding window. So nice pagka-interior ba? And then I think this is, built-in cabinet. And this is your common toilet and bath. Spacious siya under the stairs. So naka-shower area, your water closet, your vanity or sink, then napaka-storage right here. And then let's head up to the second floor. We're landed on the second floor. So naatay tulo ka bedroom right here. So total bedroom of 4 plus 1 for the maid's quarter. So una, let's check this first bedroom on the second floor. So again, your double size bed or queen size bed can fit. So you have your window, and then nanay mga provision for a window type aircon. Nice. Second bedroom. Second bedroom, again, masiguan gyapon queen size bed or double size bed. And then, muna lang idea, nabutangan gyapon niya og built-in cabinet. Look at that. It's nice, diba? Siya mga built-in cabinet. Napagali siya bedside table nga gibutang. And then of course, vanity. Last bedroom. So, kani perfect ni siya sa mga estudyante. So again, double size bed. Then nakay desk. So, ani nila og style. So, it's nice, no? So, very organized siya. And still, spacious paghapon siya. And then, napaghapon siya built-in cabinet right here. And another shelves for books. And then, ilada yung common toilet and bath. So, one toilet and bath lang ang naa diri sa second floor. Of course, shower area, your water closet, and your sink. So now, we're done. Now we're done. Let's wrap up this LM model unit. Sits on 110 square meter lot with a total floor area of 100 square meters. It features 4 bedrooms plus 1 maid's quarter and 3 toilet and bath with 1 parking space. So for those who are searching for a house and lot here in Uptown Cagayan de Oro nga non-ready for occupancy, and of course, it has a flexible terms, then this might be the perfect match for you. If you want to know more the details and want to check it in person, please don't hesitate to message us on our official Facebook page at GMZ Properties PH, and we'd be happy to assist you. And if you want to sell your property with us, message us today. Bye!